Hey guys, if you're an online coach or a trainer and you're struggling to take action on a daily basis because you're lost, you're not sure what to do. So what you do is you're jumping on YouTube, you're researching different tools, different softwares, different things that you need to do to actually grow your business. Then in this video, what I want to talk about is the gear that we should be using. Now, I like gear, and coaches and trainers probably do too, right? I just got these things here. Now I'll show you what they are. It's completely irrelevant to an online fitness business, but because I do triathlons, right? I got these goggles, and what they do is when I'm looking through them, it will tell me in the lens, because it's got this magical lens thing where it tells me exactly how fast I'm swimming each length. It tells me my stroke rate. It tells me all this information. And a trainer asked me, like, does it make you go faster? And I wanted to punch him in the face because no, it doesn't make you go faster. And they are unnecessary, but they're cool, right? And we've got to separate the difference between, like, when are we buying stuff because it's cool and we think and we want it, versus, like, is it actually going to make you faster? And in this case, it's like, is it actually going to grow your business? So when we look at, and this happens all the time when I talk with coaches and trainers, and they're waiting for the new iPhone 55X with the M27 chip, just so their quality of their videos can be better. And it's the problem with that is, like, now they do nothing instead. So I'm better to go in and do some swimming lengths, right? If I'm doing swimming lengths, it's still better and practicing and training than buying goggles to get the detail. And coaches and trainers are the same. They end up waiting and doing nothing, and therefore not growing their business. So if you're a coach or a trainer and you're wanting to grow your business, the number one thing that I can recommend right now is start. Start right now. Don't look at any fancy gear. Don't look at anything. If you've got no clients, all you need to do right now is start. Get stuck in and do the work. Hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully that made sense. If you like this video, hit subscribe. I release videos like this every single week that's helping coaches and trainers stay in the industry.